Oh yeah. That is not good. I don't know if that's moving the bike. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. Well, hello. We are back to cleaning the carburetor. The thing I was looking at under this nice magnifying glass, you can't really see, I don't think. But this here, I believe, is where the choke goes, and it's still kind of gunked up in there. I don't know. The rest of it is definitely not perfect, but looks way better than it did. I don't know how in-depth of shots I have of the before of this condition, but everything has been soaked in this stronger stuff. It's looking good. Try to put it back together. That's wrong. Guess you were right. Yeah. I know. So these messed up screws have been adjusted so we can use a flathead or a Phillips potentially. Nice new deep grooves. Did that on all 4. I'll tighten this down. And a little bit, we might be able to throw this back on and start playing around with a battery in the motorcycle. I'm going to get them all so that they're just a little past loose. Where they're just loose enough so I can maneuver around this surface. So now I'll do a little bit of a cross pattern just to try to seal that gasket, that old gasket that was not replaced, I might add. They're definitely not perfect, but they're actually usable, unlike their previous condition. Okay, well, other than this, which I honestly don't even really remember where it goes. I'm pretty sure it goes in this channel here, but it didn't really fit earlier when I was playing around. Yeah, you can hear the float if you shake it, which you couldn't before. The throttle has this little black plastic piece that now moves. I think before it would just stay up with the little gap there, but now it drops down like it's supposed to when you activate the throttle in there. Yeah, and this adjuster screw should be the 2 1/4 turns that I had previously recorded. So this should be pretty set. Maybe throw this in there when I get back, and then maybe see what else happens. But I don't know. You'll have to wait and find out. Okay. Carbs put back together. This thing, plunger thing, was the piece I was missing. So now that, I believe, creates suction to somehow prevent this thing or vacuum. I don't know. I'm gonna put it on. So this here, let me grab this fuel. Now I have no idea how it's supposed to properly go in there. I think it's something. Yeah, it's definitely this because that's the fuel line. Assuming that's actually the fuel line and not something else. Oh, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna loosen it a little more. Like that? Oh, I popped the gasket thing off. Here, let me actually show you guys what I'm doing. Put this in first. See how that does. This goes in the side here. I twist it a tiny bit, which it doesn't twist that way. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out. This in first, feed the cable up. Put this in through the side. Oh, what happened? You got it. Yep, straight side. Oh yeah. That is not good. Something went wrong. Huh. Broke it. I don't know what happened. I pulled it open and then it stuck here. And it must have disconnected up top or something. It's moving. Do you feel tension?
Sounds like you broke the throttle.
Yeah, let's push this back. I don't know. That's moving the bike. That could have been bad. Ready? Yep.
How's that?
Piece of shit. Oh my god. I wonder, these little screws up here, looks like it's just a cap to give access to the thing for everything. Oh, this just keeps coming. There's our cable. There's the culprit. I see.
Is it broken?
I kind of think that the thing just fell off.
Oh, yeah.
Whoops. Let me dangle this. More pieces than I expected.
Yeah, let me hold them.
Yeah. Oh. That fell.
It's pretty obvious what I had to hold them.
Somewhere.
Is it metal, plastic?
It's the like drum piece that's on the end of the cable. Can we try to push this back another like 2 inches?
Yeah, as long as he ain't behind the wheel.
Yeah.
He ain't going. I don't see nothing. What's this? That it?
Yeah. Right there.
What's this?
That I just put it back down. That's the same thing.
Oh.
So I don't think anything's broken, I hope.
No.
Should just slide right back on
Yeah.
into the groove there.
It just takes up more space instead of the little ball.
Yeah, but that probably keeps it in a consistent spot or something. I'm sure there's a purpose. Yes, maybe that's what happened. I pulled.
I think it's broken. Keep pulling. Does it keep going? Yeah, going that far. It's going to be broken somewhere. Yeah. That's broke.
Okay. Do you just have like a huge spool of it, or is it something we got to go buy? One step forward, 2 steps back. So this is tucked behind this hose here. Nice. So much for that. Better now to happen than
On the road somewhere.
yeah, exactly. Okay, so that's one thing to add to the list. I want to take brake clean and like run it through the brake lines that I have here. Okay, I gotta clean off this bench because it's just covered in shit already.
JP.
I didn't make it very far. Not off to a good start.
So yeah, since I pulled that bike back, what'd that jack do?
I don't know. That's moving the bike. Oh, I don't know. I just think it's not up high enough to support it much. So it was. I think it's in the same place. They're just running down the side.
Here, hold both ends. It's going somewhere.
Here, do it again. Yeah, I think it's coming out.
Run out of pressure?
Oh, maybe. It was kind of a little low when I filled up the Kia the other day.
So did you chase this wire? Was it? What is it? Where's it go?
I couldn't figure it out. I got somewhere on the bottom. The ground cable was missing, so we found a solution, an alternative. Found it. It goes to this square thing.
That's got to do with your ignition.
It's the single wire that's dangling below everything else. Oh yeah, I never tightened that down. I was going to put on the throttle first, and then the throttle blew up.
Nothing.
Is that where you hitting the horn button?
Yep.
Cool. Is that the starter?
Yep.
So, oh,
Blinker.
What, you have to like manually
brake.
hit it?
Well, it's probably not blinking because it don't have front one, no brake.
Where's the cable for the brake?
It's in neutral. Yep. That's your oil light. It's not arcing where it should. See?
Mm-hmm.
So you got spark. Bonus.
So does that mean that the coil packs work, or could they still be bad?
Could be bad.
Yeah. I can't figure out where the cable for this is.
There isn't a cable, it's a hose.
Yeah, but what would tell the brake light to turn on? Because that's where the brake line comes out and meets in the middle here.
It seems to be all integrated into this mess.
So then it should have been working, but I don't think it was.
Possibly not.